Hey, I'm excited to share how I made $60,000 in 2 months with TikTok Shop Affiliate Program. Stick around for easy tips you can use too. Step 1. Finding cool stuff on Amazon. Let's start by going to Amazon's website. There, we'll look at all sorts of things people can buy. Our mission? To find cool stuff that's also in the TikTok shop. As we browse through the products, we'll check out what people say about them in their reviews. These reviews aren't just random words. They're like little treasures full of helpful info. By reading what real people think about these products, we'll get lots of great ideas. From stories about how something changed someone's life to funny tales about its quirks, these reviews give us plenty of inspiration. We're not just reading reviews for fun, we're using them to make awesome videos. It's time to turn reviews into awesome videos. Now, I'll show you how I break down customer reviews to make videos that people can connect with and enjoy. This way of looking at reviews can really make a big difference in how successful your videos are. You'll see how taking inspiration from what real people say can help you make content that grabs attention and keeps viewers interested. Believe me, once you start using this strategy, you'll see just how much it can boost your success. Before we jump on to number 2, here's a quick trivia for you. Did you know that TikTok's algorithm is so sophisticated that it can predict your interests even if you've only watched a few videos? By analyzing your viewing habits, likes, and interactions, TikTok's For You page, FYP, serves up content tailored specifically to you, making it feel like the app knows you better than you know yourself. Step 2. Turning reviews into awesome videos. Alright, let's dig into the exciting world of transforming customer reviews into captivating videos. In this step, I'll walk you through some real-life examples to demonstrate exactly how I bring these reviews to life, creating videos that resonate with viewers and leave a lasting impression. We'll explore a diverse range of products, from handy gadgets like automatic dog feeders to trendy beverages like rice coffee. Together, we'll analyze the feedback and stories shared by customers, uncovering the hidden gems that spark our creativity. As we go deeper, I'll guide you through each stage of the video creation process, sharing tips and techniques to help you craft compelling content that stands out from the crowd. You'll be amazed at the sheer potential and versatility of these customer stories, whether they tug at the heartstrings with a heartwarming tale about a beloved pet, or tickle the funny bone with a humorous anecdote about brewing coffee. By fully engaging with these examples, you'll gain valuable insights into how to infuse your own videos with personality, authenticity, and creativity. Get ready to use your imagination and make your videos even better as we turn everyday reviews into amazing videos that your viewers will love. Let's make your videos really stand out. Step 3. Exploring TikTok Shop Tools. Now, let's explore the TikTok Shop tools together. It's like having a special toolbox just for us affiliates. We'll take a tour of the TikTok Shop Seller website, which is packed with helpful stuff to help us sell products better. As we look around, we'll find lots of cool features that can really help us out. We can check out videos from other creators and see how well they're doing, and even keep track of how our own sales are going. Think of these tools as our helpful buddies, giving us tips and tricks to succeed as TikTok Shop affiliates. By learning how to use these tools, we'll figure out the best ways to sell stuff and make more money. So, get ready to explore and learn. It's going to be an exciting journey. Step 4. Joining a community for tips. Okay, let's talk about why it's a good idea to join a group made just for people like us who are part of the TikTok Shop Affiliate Program. I'll explain why being in this group on Facebook can be really helpful. Here, we all share useful tips and tricks to help each other do well in the program. Being in this group has a bunch of benefits. First off, you'll get to learn from other affiliates who are going through the same stuff as you. Whether you're just starting out or you've been doing this for a while, there's always something new to pick up from everyone else. Plus, the support and friendship you'll find here are super important. Whenever you need a boost or some advice, there's always someone ready to help out. It's like having a whole team of buddies backing you up and guiding you along the way. As we take a look around the group, I'll show you some screenshots to give you an idea of what goes on in there. From sharing success stories to solving problems together, this Facebook group is where we all come together to learn and grow. By being part of this community, you'll not only learn new things, but also make some great connections with people who share your interests. Together, we'll all get better at this TikTok Shop affiliate stuff and have a blast doing it. TikTok affiliate marketing is an awesome way for creators and brands to earn money and show off their creativity. TikTok has cool features like its algorithm and trending topics that help affiliates sell products in fun ways. We've discovered some neat tricks, like finding inspiration from Amazon, turning customer reviews into entertaining videos, and using TikTok's tools for sellers. Plus, joining communities for advice is super helpful. These strategies prove how TikTok can be a game changer for marketing. To do well in TikTok affiliate marketing, you've got to think outside the box, organize your ideas, and engage with others. Being genuine, keeping up to date, and staying connected with the TikTok community are key to making your affiliate marketing strategies work wonders. If you're new to TikTok or aiming to improve, know that there are abundant opportunities awaiting you. So, dive in, explore new ideas, and most importantly, enjoy yourself. Your next big breakthrough on TikTok might be right around the corner. Embrace the journey, experiment with different content, and relish the process. With each video, you're one step closer to potential success. So, stay creative, stay positive, and keep having fun. It's what TikTok is all about. Before we sign off, I've got a question for you. What's one TikTok affiliate marketing strategy you're excited to try out? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, if you want more tips and tricks on boosting your earnings through affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe to Profitability Plus. Hit that subscribe button now, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to read your answers in the comments.